Saraswati Sisukunj Vagwala Borsar, English Medium Standard 5th, subject EVS. In that chapter number 3, a snake charmer story. So this story starts with Aryanath, and he is saying to us that he is able to do something different that we cannot do, right? And he is saying that he is able to play a bean. Now what is this bean? I told you bean is a flute-like instrument, right? In more, he is saying that they are kalbelias. Now these kalbelias are in a community. Kalbelias are one community, right? They are known as saperas, or you can say snake charmers, right? So they have one tradition. They have one tradition. Now what kind of tradition they are talking about? Look, they are keeping snake with them. Different kind of snake they keep with them. They carry the snakes in a bamboo basket. They carry the snakes in bamboo basket from one village to other village, right? And this remaining story is all in a memory of that Aryanath's grandfather, right? So grandfather is continuing with the story that we are called saperas and we carry the snakes in a bamboo basket from village to village. Right? When they reach to the village, many people create crowd around them and they are very eager to see different snakes and information. They want to know information about the different snakes. Right, and they are using that bean and they can make snake dance by that bean. After the show, like his grandfather is saying, after the show people will wait that now that snake charmers will give them medicine. Now how they are getting this medicine? From forest plants. Right. This snake charmers are giving medicine for a regular fever to these villagers, and you know after that villagers used to give them money or sometimes food grains, and this this is how they are surviving. So this is how they are very popular in villages, to catch the snake, to treat the person who bitten by a snake, right? To in fairs they are showing the snake dance, in the street they are showing the snake dance. They are very excellent bean players, right? It is a musical instrument. Now what can we do? Now here we is used for snake charmers. That now what can snake charmers do? Why this question arise? Because of government's law. What was that government's laws? That no one can catch wild animals, no one can keep them. So now what is the thing that these snake charmers can do? So see here, I am going to read paragraph. Aryanath, means grandfather is saying to grandchild, Aryanath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned how to play the bean without being taught. Means this grandfather is saying that your father was excellent bean player and he learned by himself. These days it is difficult. Now why it is difficult? As I told you, because of government's law. Now see, now the government has made the law that no one can catch wild animal and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high prices. Look, why they did this? Because many people catching these wild animals, they are killing them and they are selling the skin of wild animal on high prices. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how we will earn our livelihood? Means they have a question, how they will live? Without these animals, they are not able to do shows on the streets and fairs. So how they will earn their livelihood? We people have never killed snakes. Right? These saperas never killed snakes and sold their skin. Means they never sold the skin of snakes. People say that we keep these snakes in a bad condition, but actually it doesn't, right? They are not keeping snakes in a bad conditions. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes. Means they are saying that if they wanted to do this thing, so they are also able to do, but they have not done this kind of things. right? But we would never do that. Snake are our treasures. Why they are saying snakes are treasures? Why they are saying snakes are treasures? There is one example given in the textbook. See, that we pass on from generation to generation. Treasures is passed on from generation to generation. We even gift snake to our daughters when they get married. Now for the snake charmers, they pass to their grandchild or their son snakes. Many snakes they pass, right, from one generation to other generation. Even they gift snakes when their daughter gets married. In our Kalbelia dance, we also have moments similar to dance of a snake. You have seen snake dance, right? So this in Kalbelias, there are many steps, many movements in a dance which looks like a snake movement. You will have to make a different life for yourself. Now this grandfather is saying to Arinath that now you have to make a different life. Why? Now there is a law of government that you cannot kill, you cannot catch any animal, you cannot keep any animal with you, means now they are not able to keep snake with them. That is why grandfather is saying now you have to live a different life for yourself. How? You and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people, right? Now see here, what grandfather is saying, now you and your cousins can make bean party. Bean party means there are peoples who are able to play bean, and there is a party, means many peoples together. They do not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. And grandfather is saying do not waste the knowledge, whatever knowledge you have about snakes. Do you know, means there are 4 types of snakes which are poisonous. Which are so 4 types of snakes which are poisonous, which are found in our country, right? First one, cobra. Second one, Russell's viper. Third one, so-skilled viper. Fourth one, common crate. So 4 type of snakes which are poisonous in our country, right? You will get surprised by knowing that there is a medicine available in the government hospitals. If any person is bitten by a snake, so there is a special medicine which is given to that person, and that medicine is made up by the poison of snake. Imagine that this is snake, right? And these are 2 fangs. Fangs of a snake. So these fangs are hollow, means any fluid can pass from it and it can be injected in the other side, whatever it is, like if your body part or if human's body part is there, then, and they have a pouch of a poison inside, and there is a tube which is connected with the teeth, right? And whenever they are biting to a person, so that poison passes from their teeth and get injected into the person's body. So an exercise, first one, fill in the blanks. See, first number, poisonous teeth of a snake are called fangs, right? After that, second number, Kalbelias give blank to their daughter when they get married. I give snake. Snake charmers remove fang of blank snake, means poisonous snake. Answer is poisonous, right? Snakes are blank for snake charmers. So treasure. So I hope you are able to see all answers, question answers. The first one, why has government made laws to protect wild animals? Some people kill wild animals, sell their skin and keep them To stop this activities, government made laws to protect wild animals. See the second one. How has these laws affected communities like snake charmers, madaris and circus people? So answer is snake charmers, madaris and circus people earned their livelihood from these wild animals. Now because of that law, these people are totally depends on the wild animals, and that is why now they are struggling for their survivals, right? How do snake charmers find out which snake has bitten? So they observe fang marks on person's body. If many fang marks means non-poisonous snake has bitten, and if two fang marks means poisonous snake has bitten the person, right? Okay, let's move on the fourth number. How are poisonous snake made non-poisonous? So by removing their fangs and by closing poison tube in their mouth. Looks. Fifth number is, how many types of poisonous snakes are found in India? So there are 4 types of poisonous snake. There are 4 types of poisonous snake found in India. Write name of 4 type of poisonous snakes. So first one, cobra, saw-scaled viper, common krait and Russell's viper. Let's continue with give reasons. Snake charmers remove fangs of poisonous snake, means to make the snake non-poisonous, snake charmers remove fangs of poisonous snake. Snake are treasure for snake charmers. So answer is, snakes are treasure for snake charmer that they pass on from one generation to other generation. As a third number, snakes are farmers' friend. Snakes help farmers by eating rat from fields. So that is why snakes are farmers' friend. The snake charmers, madaris and circus people are struggling for their survival. So why? Snake charmers, madaris and circus people are totally depends on wild animals. Government made law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. That is why, because of that law, they are struggling for their survival. I hope you understand all give reasons. Just take a look of it. So, this was your second part of chapter number 3. I hope you understand all topics which is discussed here, and please write your worksheet properly, right? Soon we will go through the revision of this chapter. Thank you.